two immensely talented actors, Paritosh Tiwari and Abhinav Singh.
I am here in Bombay from the past 9 years. No one has given me the opportunity such big in my life till now. मुझे नूर को क्लीशे नहीं मनाना है.
Every time Noor would come on the stage, I was like, "Abhi bomb गिरने वाला है."
40-45 rehearsals for just one take.
So there was a favorite on the set.
Diwakar sir said, glycerine. मैंने बोला अरे यार एक्टर हो यार, glycerine मत दो यार. She came to me. She's like, सुन, मार दे.
Hello and welcome to Social Catch-Up Bench. Today we have with us two immensely talented actors, but I believe they are underrated. We have with us the cast of LSD2, Paritosh Tiwari and Abhinav Singh. First of all, thank you for coming and congratulations on the movie. I really loved your performances.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now the question that I have been dying to ask you ever since I walked out of the theatre after watching the movie is, so I'll start with an anecdote first, like bear with me for 2 minutes, I'll start with an anecdote. So there was a man sitting next to me in the theatre with his girlfriend or partner, and when the Noor bit was still going on, Noor slaps her mother and this man loses it. क्या ये कैसी मूवी है, मैं नहीं देख रहा हूँ, मेरे को नहीं बैठना इधर, मुझसे नहीं देखा जाएगा. He shouts and then he sits again.
Oh shit.
And he watches the entire movie.
Oh wow.
And he left after me. Like he sat through the credits stunned ke, what did I just watch? So what I want to ask you is, for the lack of better words, the film is quite unusual. So what was your first reaction when you read the script?
I mean, coming to the slap, first of all, thank you for having us here. Coming to the slap bit itself, we were trying to show the satire in it, you know. अब मैं एक और इंटरव्यू दिया था, उन्होंने ऐसा बोला कि पारितोष जी ये सब तो ठीक है, बट आपने जो मम्मी को मारा वो अच्छा नहीं किया. मैंने बोला अरे यार मैंने जानबूझ उसके थोड़े मारा. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट. लाइक वी वर ट्राइंग टू शो कि जो रियलिटी शोज में जो रियलिटी हो रही है, जो क्या क्या चीज़ें हो रही हैं, दैट इज़ वॉट वी वर ट्राइंग टू शो. So yeah, I mean that was a pretty fun thing when we shot. For me, when I read the script, when I had to audition, तो मुझे लगा कि ये कोई secondary part है नूर का, because लीड्स एंड ऑल जब आप बॉम्बे में इतने दिन रह जाते हो तो थोड़ा भूल जाते हो ना आपकी, शायद आपको कोई सिग्निफिकेंट पार्ट मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा या वट एवर. एंड आई रेड द स्क्रिप्ट, आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड ओह नूर इज द सिग्निफिकेंट पार्ट इन द फिल्म. So it was a little hard to digest as well, because थोड़ा समय हो जाता तो होता नहीं है ना कि लाइक अरे शायद आपको मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, बट जब फाइनली मिल जाता यू डोंट नो हाउ टू प्रोसेस दैट. So for me that was my initial reaction.
So for मैं पहले रिएक्ट क्या करूँ, मेरे इतने सारे ऑडिशंस हुए थे. पहले ही दिन पे मेरे 2 बार ऑडिशन हुआ था. पहली बार मैंने भेजा, बोला इतना गंदा ऑडिशन कौन भेजता है, वापस भेजो. मैंने वापस भेजा. अगले दिन उन्होंने बोला कि वापस आना है तुमको, यहाँ पर तुमको ऑडिशन करेंगे हम लोग, देखेंगे कि जस्ट इन केस अगर फिट होते हो तो. बोला ठीक है कर लो. उन्होंने पहली बात तो मुझे क्राइटेरिया बताई थी कि तुमको 18 ईयर्स से नीचे होना है, और मैं 3 साल बड़ा था कैरेक्टर से. सो मैंने तो मतलब ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था मेरे अंदर कि मुझे ये मिलने वाला है. सो फर्स्ट टाइम जब मुझे कॉल आया कि दैट यू हैव गॉट द पार्ट, यू हैव टू कम्पीट विद वन मोर गाय हु विल बी कम्पीटिंग विद यू टू गेट द कैरेक्टर. We'll be workshopping you both for 20 days and we'll be seeing what will like तुम दोनों में से कौन अच्छा कर सकता है. मतलब इनिशियली 4 days में मुझे ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि यार मैं हूँ या नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि उसकी इनोसेंस थी. तो बट मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मुझे मिलने वाला है, बट एट द एंड जब मिला तो फिर रिएक्शन तो क्या ही होंगे.
And I disagree with you both. Like it might have been unbelievable for you, but I think for anyone who watched the movie, everyone was like, I wrote in my review, the casting was appropriate.
Yeah.
Now my second question is very obvious. How was it like working with a director as great as Diwakar Banerjee?
In most of the interviews, I'll start first.
Yeah. मैं सोच रहा था तुम कर लो.
In most of the interviews, I've said that it was a patient journey for me. People of my age, I myself is a very impatient person. And working with Diwakar Banerjee, when we do like 40-45 rehearsals for just one take, so it anyway sends you in that mode of, you know, patience and spirituality that you need to learn to get on the film set. At least on his film set. So for me, it was more of a patient journey, and also like, you know, I learned new things with each and everything what he said.
Could you give an example?
For example, in the first scene when we were doing on 17th of July. I
Oh, it's
remember the
almost
day.
a year now.
Yeah, it is almost a year now. 17th of July, I remember, I thought this is a very small scene. It was like 4 lines for me, 4 lines for my manager, Maddie, and 4 lines for my mother. So it was a very small scene.
Which scene exactly?
The scene in which my mom offers me the lunch and I'm like, मैं नहीं खा रहा.
Yeah,
लेके
yeah.
जाओ.
टिंडे क्या खिलाती है?
Tinde.
Tinde, हाँ.
Yes.
टिंडे बनाए हैं. And my manager says, मामा says कि कबाब मंगाओ डिश के यहाँ से. And वो सीन मैंने सोचा था कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 घंटा 2 घंटा. We started at 9 in the morning and we were still shooting till 3 until the lunch started. हम लोगों के टेक्स चल ही रहे थे, rehearsals चल ही रहे थे. So for 6 hours we were shooting a scene which was supposed to be completed in
Yeah.
2 hours.
So then what must it have been like for the
was
scenes with the VR,
Oh.
with the interview of the journalist?
That was something very different. That was something very different. We had dubbed the part and we had also performed it in VFX studio. So I was asked to fly. I was asked
Yeah.
to, run, walk on the water. And I was like, in real life, if I also accept spirituality, will I be able to do this? And Dibakar was like,
In your head, maybe.
in your head. So,
What was your experience like?
Mine, I don't know. जब मैं so we started with the dance sequence first. आपने जो dance देखा है गंदी ताल, इस पे तो मत
I
नाच.
love it. I absolutely love the song.
Yeah, Sneha Khanwilkar is like the best
Yeah.
there. तो हमने शुरू किया and मुझे लगा मैं अच्छा डांस कर लेता हूँ. But as a female doing that dance with that grace, maybe I was not able to achieve that. So in the beginning, me and Dibakar was not really happy kind of stuff with me, and I was also in immense pressure कि अब करेंगे क्या. मैं तो ऐसा भी लग गया था कि शायद मेरा टाइम आ गया है फिल्म से जाने का. So maybe I'm out of the film. I was in that space because acting तो चलो ठीक है, I know that I can, but dancing in with that grace is something which
Yeah.
I had never done in my life. But yeah, once we started shooting our scenes, it was pretty fun because I used to always get something on the table, and he used to not say कि I mean, a director like Dibakar, जाने में भी डर लगता है कि अरे ये बोलूँ क्या नहीं बोलूँ क्या, फिर भी मैं चला ही जाता हूँ, मतलब क्या ही होगा, जैसा डांट सुन लूँगा ना, उससे ज़्यादा क्या होगा. So I always used to take something to the table and he used to like, भाई दिखाओ. And so that was something which was very encouraging as an actor, that when you get something, he's not like that star director कि अरे just move on man, just जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो करो, वैसे नहीं है. He's always taking the directions from us as well कि even this might work, that might work. So it's pretty open to that, which is something which I really enjoyed working.
So, Paritosh, you mentioned about the grace in the dance that
Yeah.
you struggled with. Now, what I noticed was that in most characters in Bollywood,
Yeah.
when we have a male playing a woman or a trans woman, their femininity is very performed out there.
Yeah,
They exaggerate the behavior, right?
Yeah.
But your femininity was very subtle. So, how did you prepare for the character in such a way?
Honestly speaking, the day I got the part, the only thing which was revolving in my mind was मुझे नूर को क्लीशे नहीं बनाना है, जो कि हम देखते ही आए हैं, जो कि वैसा है नहीं. People are not like that in real life. If you see, if you come across, they are not that stuff. So for me it was like, if I play Noor, I'll play it with complete truth and honesty. That was my thing throughout. जब भी मैं थोड़ा बहुत off भी जाता था, तो I used to keep reminding myself कि नहीं, just stick to as close as possible to reality. So maybe that is why I tried. Honestly, I don't know how it came and how people perceived it, but yeah, that was my motive.
No, it came very well, which is why I say that in fact, all three
Subtle.
of the, subtle, yes, subtle and also very authentic.
Yeah.
Even your role.
Okay.
So what I want to ask is that it was a teenage YouTuber that you played, Shubham Narang. Now his character you played very aptly. Okay, I have nephews, nieces at home who watch such YouTubers, gamers.
Yeah.
So you represented them very aptly. So how did you connect with the character?
So eventually, I had a lot of references when we were preparing for the role. Our workshop director, Ritesh sir, he had got lots and lots of references for me. So he told me that you might want to also play games like they do. So I also tried playing a few games. I also tried, living like them in sense of, wearing clothes, talking to people like them, how they talk and how they, show a face when the camera starts rolling.
Yeah.
So they've always got a face when the camera starts rolling, and they've always got a face when the camera is off.
Yeah. And also the mannerisms and the kind of words that they use, the
Right,
kind of
yeah.
language that they use, it was so spot on.
Yeah.
It was Gen Z.
Yeah, it was very Gen Z.
Very
And
Gen
also very Delhi kind of Gen Z.
It is. It was. He was born in Subhash Nagar.
Now, there has been criticism of men playing trans women, especially on social media. There are people who disagree with this.
True.
So, what is your, given that you played Noor,
Yeah.
a woman who's transitioning, what is your take on this issue?
See, honestly speaking, when people said, ye, maybe you'll get the part. And then I was like, I started asking my friends that should I do it or no? Usme baki mixed responses the. Few of them said you should not do it. I maybe somehow felt that maybe or may not be. I was also in a dilemma. Few people said do it. But then it came to a point where I had to choose a film like LSD2 has come to me, and I am here in Bombay for the past 9 years. And no one has given me the opportunity such big in my life till now. So I only had a choice to say yes or no, and I said yes. So, but in the future, maybe when I have a broader choices, I have a broader perspective, then maybe my choices will be different. But right now, honestly speaking, मेरे पास choice नहीं था, so I had to say yes. So that is what it is. And criticism तो हाँ मतलब नूर honestly बता रहा हूँ, like I was shit scared when the film got released. मुझे लगा था यार, I was sure कि criticism मिलेगा, which is fair. But the thing is, कुछ criticism मिला ही नहीं, क्योंकि लोगों ने इतना फिल्म देखा ही नहीं. So I hope कि लोग देखें फिल्म, right? Not to criticize me, of course, but then people watch the film whenever it is online, and because it is a film which is showing the current reality. So I really want people to watch the film.
Which leads me to ask you, when is it releasing online?
I don't know. If you get to know, please let me know as well. I have no idea.
So, my next question to you. Game Papi influences youth, but like I understand that the commentary was, in your part, the commentary was on, how he goes into a digital nirvana. Even the Zen or spirituality that we have now is digital, right? Because the world is digital. But what really stood out for me in your bit in the download part is that Game Papi influences youth, he influences kids, but he's not really aware of the extent of the consequences that will follow.
Exactly, because that is happening for the first time for him also in the life.
Yeah.
Right? Because he is wanting that to happen.
There is this part of social media where there are YouTubers or content creators influencing the youth, but they might not be aware, they might not realize what they are actually doing to the kids or the youth indirectly. So if I ask you, okay, what is your opinion on this facet of content creation, what would your answer be?
I mean, most of them, if you go and watch Instagram right now, you will get like racist comments, you will get a lot of, body shaming comments.
You have comments for everything.
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 And everyone is actually making content based on all of these realities.
Yeah.
Which we should actually avoid right now. For at least if we are influencing people, if we are influencing a community or, a generation, we have to at least try to ignore or maybe educate people to not follow these things. But rather people are creating content which is, more of controversial, but it is not creating controversies. Because.
One question that I really want to know is, which was the scene that impacted you or challenged you the most in the film?
You want to go first?
You go first, please. Like the film.
For me, आपने जब वो उसका डांस से ठीक पहले she says something to the audience. when she holds the mic, I mean, I do not want to reveal it right now for the audience. Like वो जो scene है जहाँ पे नूर बोलती है कि मैं आज अपने माँ के सामने
Oh,
गाना चाहती हूँ. So that was
every time Noor would come on the stage, I was like, अभी bomb गिरने वाला है. What is
the
about to
intent was
happen
that.
next?
The character's intent is that. No,
Yeah.
that is what we were trying to show.
And you just cannot guess कि अभी इसके मुंह से next क्या निकलने वाला है. Like everything is going in a particular way.
Yeah.
Then Noor says something and the entire story has gone haywire.
The
I love
intent
that.
was that कि whenever Noor is around is like, oh
Yeah.
shit, something's going to happen. So for me that was something. जैसे ही dance खत्म हुआ, was already in a very tense situation कि अब अब तो
Yeah.
acting शुरू हो रहा है. But then that was the first scene right after
Okay.
dance which we shot.
Okay.
And Diwakar sir said glycerine. मैंने बोला अरे यार actor हो यार, glycerine मत दो यार please. मैं क्यों काम कर रहा हूँ please. I don't know. So I went to him. I said, can I give one take without anything please? He said, okay, try. I gave, and that was the first take which got approved.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was pretty fun. That performing that take was very fun for me. Yeah.
Yeah. Abhinav.
For me, I mean, the scene which was most impactful was the scene with Kanika in the bathroom.
Yeah.
When I am asking her if we could make some makeout videos
Yeah.
so that people know that I am
Yeah.
not really,
Yeah.
So वो इसलिए ऐसा मेरे लिए इतना impactful था because in my life जब मैं भी किसी चीज़ों से ऐसे घिर जाता हूँ ना तो मैं ऐसे blame करना शुरू करता हूँ. In the last he also blames कि तूने देख
Yeah.
तूने भेजी थी ना photos, तू ही है ना वो.
Yeah.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा relatable था और also this was the last scene I shot for the film.
अच्छा.
My first film, last scene. So that was the most impactful and also बहुत ज़्यादा करीबी था. And this was the scene we rehearsed the most. 74 rehearsals.
Me 74?
First yes, sir. Second लिख रहा था अभी third yes. sir.
अरे नहीं announcement करते हैं ना.
Oh yeah.
भाई
Oh.
we shot 4 hours. वो scene 4 घंटे shoot किए हमने.
Which part of that scene was the most difficult to do?
To laugh at Kanika.
Yeah.
Too talented at that one.
That was mean, but yeah, well done. So, like, I gave you one anecdote as an audience. Give me one anecdote from the sets.
I'm a very boring person that way. I'll have to really think.
I disagree. This interview has been proof of you're anything but boring. Please.
मैं वो दे देता हूँ. चलो जो स्लैप वाला सीन है
हाँ,
उसके बारे में
please,
बता दो. हाँ.
Please, yes.
So क्या हुआ फर्स्ट वी स्टार्टेड. तो पहले हम लोग फेक ट्राई कर रहे थे. दूर से ऐसे जा रहा है, फिर ऐसे जा रहा है, फिर ऐसे जा रहा है. तो 2-3 बार हुआ. एंड ऑब्वियसली स्वरूपा is such a sweetheart. Like she's such a beautiful actor to work with.
Yeah.
And for Noor, it's like it's her mother. But then as Paritosh, I'm like, I can't do this, man. I can't hit. And then ऐसा 4-5 बार हुआ. And then she came to me. She's like, सुन, मार दे, असली में. मैंने बोला, sure. She's like, yeah. And nobody knew. Only me and her. हम ही को पता था और किसी को नहीं पता था. और जैसे एक्शन हुआ और वो गलती से थोड़ा जोर से ही लग गया था. Take which you see.
Yeah.
And I hit her, and everybody on set is like, camera ऐसे हो गए थे. But it got approved because she was such a sport. And she was like, वो सच में रिएक्शन ऐसा आ गया. अभी भी आप ट्रेलर देखो, रिएक्शन लोगों का ऐसा होता है कि ये क्या है.
I have lived that
So,
reaction.
yeah,
See
it was-
everyone reacting in the scene in the background also they go like
Even in that scene, everyone is like,
because it's so genuine. Because she said, do not tell anybody, just do it.
and it also builds up what Noor has been doing because every time she comes up with something unpredictable, and this is like,
Yeah.
बस हो गया. इससे बुरा और कुछ नहीं हो सकता है.
So ये all moment मैम के वजह से ही था. So that's my
अभिनव.
अब तो बता.
for me it has to be the naked running sequence.
Oh yeah.
I was actually, when I watched that scene, I was wondering what kind of boldness, courage, and let everything go it might have taken to shoot that scene.
Yeah, I mean, when we were rehearsing the scene again, we rehearsed it like 5-6 times with the clothes on. So people sitting in the classroom were not aware that I am going to come naked in there.
Yeah.
So after 2 or 3 hours, we were actually having some problem with the VR headset. So the take was not happening. We were waiting, sitting there downstairs. We were talking to each other. I and Diwakar sir were talking, and he was like, "कर लेगा ना?" आज अगर मुझ पे डाउट आ रहा है आपको तो 10 दिन पहले क्यों ऐसा कर लिया सर. सो ही वाज लाइक ओके चलो ठीक है देखते हैं. मैं फिर अगेन आई वांटेड टू गेट इनटू दैट इमोशन अगेन. मैं वहाँ पे इधर उधर देख रहा हूँ, बैठ रहा हूँ, एंड दिबाकर सर इज लाइक वी आर रेडी, वी कैन गो रोल, हु इज वेटिंग फॉर whom. आई वाज लाइक यू आर वेटिंग फॉर मी. एंड एनेक्डोट्स के तरह देखा जाए तो मैं जब भाग के फर्स्ट टेक नेकेड रनिंग में भाग कर ऊपर गया, अंदर घुसा, everyone is reacting to like there's this girl who is reacting to like अरे क्या कर रहे हो यार, प्लीज कॉस्ट्यूम वाला भी नहीं आ रहा है.
ये कुछ भी बोल सकता है, ये छोटा है ना. For us it's like we have to think like twice because I have like grown up seeing his films and there's this massive respect and then he's right there directing me and I'm like should I talk to you, should I not talk to you, you know, there is this awkward moment always. हम मेरे और दिवाकर सर के बीच में हमेशा वो awkward moment था because it was that frequency वैसी थी. ये तो कुछ भी कर देता था. I'm like अरे ऐसे कैसे यार.
मुझे
ऐसा तो कुछ क्या किया आपने.
मुझे ऐसे सिचुएशन में डाला गया था. मतलब दिवाकर सर वाज बिहेविंग विद मी लाइक दैट कि तुम अच्छे हो, पैम्पर्ड किड, so that I get the feel of that.
So there was a favorite on the set.
Yeah, looks
Have you said
like
that?
Yeah, he could say anything and get off and I was like ठीक है जो भी है.
But after the filming was done and I met Dibakar sir just after the day of my birthday and he was standing out there. कुछ रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे स्नेहा मैम के साथ में और मैं वहाँ से चल के आ रहा था. मैंने देखा दिबाकर सर खड़े, मैं भाग के गया उनके पास. I tried to hug him and like okay hi बोला okay so game puppy is gone long gone. बोला आजा तेरा ही वाला का एडिट कर रहे हैं, आजा तू सुन ले. बोला शायद अभी भी है, कहीं ना कहीं है. अंदर लेकर गए, गाना वाना सुनाया. बोला whenever you want to leave you can leave. बोला this is the time I should leave. क्योंकि सेट पे तो ऐसा नहीं होता था कि if you want to leave or not. But यहाँ पे whenever you want to leave you can.
So do we have any future projects that we'll see you in?
Mine yes, I don't know if मैंने उतना बड़ा honestly speaking रोल है नहीं because ये LSD से पहले की थी फिल्म मैंने. And but it should come in June. That's all I can say right now. I mean, अभी poster ही release हुआ है तो I don't know if I can say more or less. But
Tell us about the film, na? Little bit about the film.
It's about firefighters.
Oh.
So it should come in June. But honestly speaking, mine is not like उतना बड़ा part नहीं, but जितना भी ये fun part है, you'll see me in a different shade there.
No part is a big part, only actors.
Oh.
Abhinav?
For me, I'm just waiting for the Netflix release as of now. Let's see what happens.
I will stay in touch to know when it is releasing because we have
if
been
you,
waiting.
If you get to know before, please let us know.
Oh, please, yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming. This has been a great interview. I had a great time. So thank you so much for coming and
Thank you so much.
wishing you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much for having us.